Hello friends, I have collected 100 different AI for everyday tasks, for building the business processes, for creating content, for a lot of different solutions. Today I want to share with you my thoughts and my experience, and if you do not waste your own time for finding solution for you, maybe this video will be helpful to you. If you're watching my video in the first time, I would be very glad if you will watch another my videos. I'm creating digital products, I'm building personal branding, I'm expanding other people online presence. So I use AI every day for different tasks. We also build AI-powered digital products, and it is very interesting thing for me as an author of AI project at all. What solutions and other people create nowadays, and what can you use for your everyday life. Nowadays you can use AI for different tasks. Sometimes you even do not know which task can be solved by AI. It's not about writing scripts. It's not only about writing presentations. For example, recently I have realized that I can make a rather good quality of video editing for shorts. And I have built a lot of templates in Make. I think you know this service. It is a solution for automating business processes where you can connect different neural networks into one script. And after that, I was shocked because nowadays I'm building 20 or 40 shorts using only 5 minutes of my own life and press only one button. So there are a lot of different solutions, and people usually think that AI is limited by ChatGPT or different dialogue GPTs, but in reality there are a lot of different tools. I want to tell you about AI which can replace different tasks, and there are a lot of tasks which we cannot replace. For example, there are a lot of different things connected with content creation, and in content creation there are a lot of different solutions. It is not only about creating videos, it's about video editing, it is about SEO optimization, it is about auto posting, it is about creating different format of shorts. So there are a lot of solutions for content creation. I have made a video about 10 best services for YouTube recently, so you can check it if you want to get more information about AI for content marketing and for video creation. Nowadays you can use AI firstly for creating scripts for post editing, but the quality is not so high. For market researches, for example, my application can help you to make market research on YouTube. You can find it in the description and test for free. There are also tasks connected with SEO for YouTube. There are also tasks connected with auto cutting for building thumbnails. But in the reality, sometimes you anyway need to do editing by yourself, and of course you need to pay a lot of attention for shooting, for production. So you can optimize some processes, but not replace yourself at all. There are also digital avatars, and you can use it for your replacement, but in the reality, you need to combine different methods. Moreover, you can use AI for tasks connected with product management, for packaging for your business, I mean visual materials and marketing features, such as creating landing page, presentations, maybe for presentations not only for your business, but also for your creative tasks. For example, there are Gamma who can create presentations. Moreover, nowadays you can create full digital products, I mean checklists or online courses using the AI. It is a very nice thing because you can create a very high quality of materials without designers, and the design is the interesting part because there are a lot of different tools for auto design, for example, for creating not only presentations but for logos, for creating templates for your mobile applications. So you can find it in the description too. I mean that you can replace the designer, or if you're a designer, you can use the help of AI for optimizing these processes. So AI is connected with visual materials mostly. You can use AI also for coding. I mean, it is a very useful tool for programmers, but I do not want to tell about that because there are a lot of different things, and I'm not a programmer, so I think that everybody understands that it is there are a lot of different solutions for programming. But in my opinion, the most interesting thing, not about AI, it is about a combination of AI. What I mean, recently I have worked a lot with Make Integromat, and I have made a lot of different templates and funnels for my YouTube. For example, today I can create more than 15 shorts by pressing only one button, and it is a good quality of shorts. It's not generative videos by AI. It is a full version of my videos, but in interesting formats. I will make a video about that. So I'm talking about collecting the different neural networks into one scenario and into one script, and by combination of different tools and AIs, you can create something really very interesting. You can create something very interesting thing, because if you can mix ChatGPT or mix ChatGPT with the tool for video creation like VO3, mix it with YouTube, mix it with 11 Labs, you can create the fully auto-generated short films. you can create different tasks for your business. The next example, it is good for educational technologies. For example, you have made a call with your students. You can make a transcription, and you can use this transcription to create the main points. And after that, you can create a presentation. You can create checklists and other materials, and send this information to your students and do it absolutely automatically. You do not need put efforts. If you can create such template in Make on different tools for automation, like in A10, you can create really interesting different solutions. So my opinion based on the, not on the finding the right AI, but finding the right technology to combine different AIs. Out of creating auto funnels, there are also AI who can help you create the marketing funnel, create the materials for marketing funnel, and later create the templates for different services to create this marketing funnel. So it is absolutely insane. And using these steps, you can make a large automation tools, and you can replace your staff. You can replace different people. You can replace different freelancers. Not using, for example, I have one client. It is a woman who have created the solution for online courses. I mean that she's teaching the admins of the beauty places how to work at all. And there are neural network who can check their homework, their rating, and the automation scripts can use the data of the students, can make the conclusion and send the personal information to every student about the rating, about the achievements, and you can integrate everything. So if you want to boost your products much more fast, if you want to scale it, and if you want to get higher results, I think it is very a necessary thing, not only to integrate AI, but also to combine it in the automation task. So if you want to get more information about that, you can check the description. Here I have a list of 100 neural networks, and I have talked about automation tools too. Now I have launched the closed club where I share my templates for content creation, for building shorts and reels, pressing only one button, and I will make new videos about that. I think it is a very helpful tool, even for someone who already use these solutions, but they can integrate my solution just by pressing one button and doing simply tasks. So I think it is an end of the video. I have told everything I want, and it is rather hard to make such conclusions, because sometimes I think that I do not know nothing, but I'm putting a lot of efforts for discovering, for finding new interesting things, and despite this fact, I even still feel myself not very if you want to get feedback about automation or your templates and Make, I would be too very grateful, because it is very interesting thing for me. You can write your feedback in the commentaries below, or you can write me directly in my social media. Soon I will create a lot of new videos about Make and automation, because it is my top one interest now. And I am very glad that you have seen this video until the end. I'm very grateful that you are watching my videos at all, and see you soon in the next episode.